Hey guys, it's Daniel from Cool Friends HC, and today it is part 2 of meeting the budgies. So let's go. See if I can get round here. Hopefully you could see them there, so let me see if I can get them from around here. There they are. Oh, they nearly fell off the edge there. What are you doing? They're a bit mad. So in here we have a few of the toys. Pretty cool. We have the swing that we haven't put in there. This is for like food, when they can have apples and stuff in. This is a mirror, which they like. I have the book in there as well that just tells you what to do, and that you'll find that a bit boring, so I'm not going to show you that. Here we are. Down here, bottom. We have the food. Next, we have that for when you let them out, you catch them in their boxes and sandpaper. We're not allowed to let them out for 2 weeks, so I might do a video in like 2 weeks' time with them having their first fly around the house, and that might be a pretty good video, so I'll do that then. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't seen part 1 yet, please tune into that and check out all of our other videos. Thank you. Please subscribe.